What up, gang? It's your boy Villain. So let's see if I can escape from chocolates. This shit is a little difficult, I ain't gonna lie. Shit, skate park. IFT, skate park's open. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go on the skate park. I don't know if I should keep it like POV or set it up. Let's try to go down this little hill. Oh, okay. Let's go in here. Let's go. And chonkless. Got the chonkless on. Oh man, I don't want to eat shit, y'all. That's what I'm setting myself up for at this point. Oh shit. This way. I've skated before, but now I know a goddamn skate park. You know what I'm saying? I don't skate in my board before. Forget to put it I need to let go of my phone. Put this motherfucker down somewhere. I almost broke my arm. I'm old, y'all. Alright, let's put the phone down in a spot where y'all can see me. It's a good spot. I done learned my lesson, y'all. Now I gotta even get out of this. Fucking chocolates, bro. There goes my chocolate. Whew. I am more of a pool type of guy. But we still got this other side of the fucking park. Alright, fuck it. We got some stairs over there. I then decided to come in here and embarrass myself. Because I was like, God damn, you're the first person in this motherfucking park. Ain't nobody else here. So I was like, fuck it, you know, just embarrass myself real quick. Okay, yo. I need to go pee. And I need to go get my Vans out the car. But I don't got them in this car. Shit. There's the water park. It's off right now. Because it's too cold. Really did to pee, that's why I came around. So let's hope these motherfuckers are open. Damn it, fuck. Are the restrooms open? I know. Man. Alright, y'all. Look at chocolate view. Are you thinking I don't skirt? I don't. I done busted my shit up. Gotta be clean. Gotta be clean. Wash your hands. I think that's cool. I think. I need to blow my nose. But you know, we're saving trees, so it's okay. You know? We staying green every way. Even with the boogers. I need to put the skateboard away. I'm too old, man. I'm gonna walk the rest of the way there. I'm out of breath. Y'all look. It's honey Dutch this. Five. Look at these birds, bro. Look at these funky ass birds. Sheesh. Don't y'all wish I could be a bird though? Like, look at this shit, bro. That looks fun. Ain't gonna lie. And then you can shit on people. But it's too hot for all that. So I'll take that one off. Whew, that feels way better. Anyways, POV, skateboarding, pretty whack hump, but I need some water. Your boy thirsty. Some big ass water, and it's cold too. Oh, I was thirsty. My God, this whole sweater's all fucked up. I need to take it off. All right, y'all, stay there while I reach y'all some of the 48 laws of power, all right? I'm sleepy. Law 35, master the art of timing. Judgment. Never seem to be in a hurry. Hurrying betrays a lack of control over yourself. And over time, always seem patient, as if you know that everything will come to you eventually. Become a detective of the right moment. Sniff out the spirit of the times, the trends that will carry you to power. Learn to stand back when the time is not yet ripe, and to strike fiercely when it has reached fruition. I recorded a video with my camera and I was gonna edit it and post it and all that, but a lot of shit happened yesterday when I was supposed to be editing my video. And I was supposed to have it up by tomorrow. But it's just, life's crazy sometimes, guys. I got kicked out of my house by both my parents, and right before Christmas, you know, I got kicked out on the 23rd. Today's the 24th. I woke up in my car. But I'm blessed because I have a car, you know what I mean? And I slept comfortable. I'm running on 2 hours of sleep, but it's okay. I'm not complaining. It all happens for a reason, guys. Things like this build character, and I'm gonna figure it out. But I wanted to say that yes, I did complete my month already of not smoking weed. I'm sober, and we're going for the next month too, man. I'm going for a year. Merry Christmas. My bad, I'm so rude. Merry Christmas, guys. Hope you guys have a very good time. Get a lot of presents. And the food, bro, the food, it's bomb as fuck, man. These times are like the best times, man, when it comes to food. The tamales, the pozole, you name it, bro. Pie, cake, chips, everything. Yeah, this is just a little update. I'm gonna be posting it from my phone, so I just wanted to let you guys know, you know what I mean? I am still going at it. I'm still quitting. I'm still forcing myself not to smoke. Not forcing myself, because honestly it has become way easier now. I don't really think about smoking until things like this happen. But I'm not going to smoke. It's really not in my head, oh, I'm gonna smoke. But when this did happen, I was just thinking, like, I'm gonna be out there with shit to do, and you know what I mean? Like, that would be something to kill time, and I could easily fall. Like I said this before in the last video, these are the demons you have to fight, guys. Actually, I don't even know if I said that on the last video. I think I said this on the video of that I'm not gonna get to edit, but I'll try to post it. Yeah, I could easily tell myself so many reasons why I should smoke, but I can't. I won't allow myself to smoke. I wouldn't have made the month, man. I wouldn't have made the month if I let any little thing ruin it, you know? And I'm very proud of myself, and I'm very proud of you guys if you guys quit with me. It only gets easier, guys. If you think of smoking and you've been quitting, just think of all the time you already haven't smoked, and don't let yourself fall back to it. Just stay strong. It's not worth it. You'll realize later that it's a waste of time, waste of money, waste of probably, you know, a lot of good things. And what better than to be clear in your head when you're dealing with people around you and doing things for yourself? What better than to be at your peak of performance without being drugged out, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I hope that this video helps people that are trying to quit. If you find my channel and you're trying to quit, hope this video helps you. But yeah, guys, I need to thank you guys for 33,000 subscribers. When I came back again to do videos, I was only like at 32, I think. And through the month, I already grew 1,000 something, way more than 1,000. So I'm very happy about that. So thank you guys for that. You guys are the best. Like, I always get the best support, man. I just cannot not be grateful, you get me? Thank you guys for everything. And with that said, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and so you can catch me on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. It's been your boy Villain. I'm out. Peace.